Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is 1 over x plus 1 over y. This is equal to 1 over 21. So what is the value of x plus y? Let's provide a solution from here. So we have 1 over x plus 1 over y. This is equal to 1 over 21. So we have that the LCM here is x times y. So that xy divided by x, this is y times 1, this is y, then plus xy divided by y, this is x times 1, this is x, and this is equal to 1 over 21. So let's cross multiply from here so that we have 21 multiplied by y plus x. This is equal to x, y. So this means that we can open the parentheses here. So 21 times y, this is 21 y plus 21x. This is equal to x, y. Now, we have that x, y. This is equal to 21 y plus 21x. So let's take 21y plus 21x on the left-hand side so that we have xy minus 21y minus 21x. This is equal to 0. So we have xy minus 21y subtract 21x. Now, let's add on both sides. We have 441, and this is equal to 0 plus 441. Now, from here we can be able to factorize from here to factor out this. From the first part here, y is common, we factor out y into the parentheses. This is x minus 21. Subtract 21 is common here, so we have 21 into the parentheses. This is x minus 21. This is equal to 441. Now, x minus 21 is common here, so we have x minus 21. Then y minus 21. This is equal to 441. Now, the next step is to get the prime factors of 441. So we have 441 times 1. This is equal to 441. Then we have 1 times 441. This is equal to 441. Then we have 21 multiplied by 21. This is equal to 441. Then we have minus 441 times minus 1. This is equal to 441. Minus 441 times minus 1. This is 441. Then minus 1 times minus 441. This is equal to 441. And we have that minus 21 times minus 21. This is equal to 441. So we have, this is the first case. This is the second case. This is the third case. This is the fourth case. This is the fifth case. And this is the sixth case. So we have case 1 up to 6. So let's start with case 1. Let's start with case 1. So we have x minus 21. Then y minus 21. This is equal to 441 times 1. So we have x minus 21. This is equal to 441. And then we have y minus 21. This is equal to 1. So from this part here, this means that x is equal to 441 plus 21. And this is equal to 462. Then here we have y is equal to 1 plus 21, and this is equal to 22. So the question is x plus y. This is equal to 462 plus 22, and this is equal to 484. This is the first solution we have. Now let's proceed to case 2. In case 2, we have x minus 21 multiplied by y, subtract 21. This is equal to, now we have 1 times 441. So this means this is x minus 21. This is equal to 1. Then y minus 21. This is equal to 441. Now, this implies that from here, x is equal to 1 plus 21, and this is equal to 22. Okay? And then from here, it follows that y is equal to 441 plus 21, and this is equal to 462. So we have that x plus y, this is equal to 462 plus 22, and this is equal to 484. This is the second solution we have. Let's move to case 3 from here. Now, in case 3, we have x minus 21 multiplied by y minus 21. This is equal to 21 times 21. And in this case, this is x minus 21. This is equal to 21. And then y minus 21. This is equal to 21. Now from here, we can establish that x is equal to 21 plus 21, and this is equal to 42, as well as y is equal to 21 plus 21, and this is equal to 42. So x plus y, this is equal to 42 plus 42, which is equal to 84. Now, let's proceed to case 4. We have x subtract 21 multiplied by y minus 21. This is equal to minus 441 times minus 1. And this implies that x minus 21, this is equal to minus 441. And we have y minus 21. This is equal to minus 1. So from here, we can establish that x is equal to minus 441 plus 21. And this is equal to minus, now this is minus 441 plus 21, and this is minus 420. Now here we have y will be equal to minus 1 plus 21, and this is equal to 20. So x plus y, this is equal to, now, minus 420 plus 20. And this is equal to minus 400. This is the fourth solution that we have. Let's proceed to case 5. In case 5, we have x minus 21 multiplied by y minus 21. This is equal to minus 1 times minus 441. So this implies that we have x minus 21. This is equal to minus 1. And we have y subtract 21. This is equal to minus 441. So here we have x will be equal to minus 1 plus 21. And this means that x is equal to 20. Here we have y will be equal to minus 441 plus 21. And this means that y is equal to minus 420. So that x plus y, this is equal to 20. We have 20 plus, now this is minus 420. So this is 20 minus 420. And this is equal to minus 400. Now the next, let's proceed to case 6 from here. In case 6, we have x minus 21 multiplied by y minus 21. This is equal to minus 21 times minus 21. And this means we have x minus 21. This is equal to minus 21. And we have y minus 21. This is equal to minus 21. Now from the first part here, x is equal to minus 21 plus 21. Minus 21 plus 21, this is equal to 0. And we have y, it will be equal to minus 21 plus 21. And this is again equal to 0. So in that case, x plus y, this is equal to 0. Now, kindly follow the steps, like this video, and please subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. If you have alternative solution method, kindly showcase in the comment section. See you in the next video.